What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to TechMan. This tutorial will guide you through optimizing your Upwork profile to attract more clients and increase your chances of landing jobs. By enhancing your profile, headline, summary, and portfolio, you can significantly boost your visibility on Upwork. Follow these simple steps to create a standout profile that showcases your skills effectively. Your headline is the first thing potential clients see. It should be concise and clearly reflect your expertise, like use keywords relevant to your skills or services. Keep it between 5 to 10 words, avoid generic phrases. Instead, highlight your unique selling points. For example, instead of just web developer, use full stack web developer specializing in e-commerce solutions. Your summary is your opportunity to tell clients who you are and what you can offer. Start with a strong opening sentence that grabs attention. Describe your skills, experience, and what sets you apart. Include specific achievements or projects you've completed. Use a friendly and professional tone to make it relatable. Aim for 3 to 5 short paragraphs to keep it readable. A robust portfolio can significantly enhance your profile's attractiveness. Include 3 to 5 of your best work samples. Choose diverse projects that showcase your different skills. Use high-quality images or links to live projects, if possible. Skills play a crucial role in how clients find you on Upwork. List all relevant skills related to your services. Prioritize skills that are in demand in your niche. Regularly update your skills as you gain more experience or learn more new tools. Positive feedback from previous clients can enhance your credibility. Actively request reviews after completing projects. Display any ratings or testimonials prominently on your profile. Consider offering a discount for or incentive for first-time clients who leave feedback. An active profile can improve your chances of being noticed. Regularly update your profile with new skills or completed projects. Engage in Upwork community forums or groups. Respond promptly to client messages and invitations to interview. By following the steps to optimize your Upwork profile, you can effectively enhance your visibility and attract more clients. Focus on creating a clear, professional, and engaging profile that reflects your skills and experience. Remember to keep your profile updated and actively engage with potential clients for the best results. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.